Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be getting rid of the stock exhaust on the Honda CBR500R and replacing it with the Leo Vinci, whatever the fuck people call it. But before we do that, we're going to go ahead and take the bike out to a parking lot and set up a tripod and do some passes with it, do some revs so you can hear what the stock exhaust sound like. And then we're going to come back, set up the tripod here, install the Leo Vinci, whatever exhaust, and then go do the same thing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get to it. All right, so after running around, I finally got a spot with my camera set up and everything. So we're just going to start the car. We're going to start the bike, and I'm going to just, idle rev it so you guys can see what it sounds like. Hopefully you guys can hear me do this. Shut the fuck up, Cardo. All right, so I got the DJI out just so I can have double mic audio. Hopefully, hello. All right, we're gonna do just an idle start, and then I'm gonna go take the bike back and forth real quick just so you can hear it. Then we're gonna go install the exhaust. Shit, I need to pop it in fucking neutral. Bastard, turn off, you turning signal. Please, there we go. All right, so this is the bike. Hopefully you guys can hear it. We'll go ahead and rev it so you can hear it. That's pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little pass, so that way you guys can hear it, and we'll go from there. Let me turn this off now because I can't ride it. You see my hand. That should be good enough for the little pass by, so we're going to go ahead and install the LV10 exhaust and go from there. And that should be able to pop out. So now, in theory, I should just be able to... Hey, look at that. I just want to see how this sounds without the exhaust real quick. Don't mind me. We're just gonna start it without. Please, find neutral. Please. There we go. That's so loud. I take this, we slide this on. You want me to do that? Okay. This. Nah, bro, that's not it. Maybe? Hold up. Maybe angle it. Nah, there's definitely not enough nut. Not enough nut to go. And that goes right there. And this has to go like this. There's no way to put the spacer on with this nut. So you have to just do. Now we gotta put the clamp down. Now we just put the clamp on. I'm supposed to put the clamp on before. I just sitting here being a dingus. Guess I'm supposed to put the clamp on before. So now I'm gonna have to untighten all this. Oh, fuck me. That's to there. That's to there. This and this. Boom, boom. Alright. I think that should be it. Boom, how does that look? Oh, nice. Nice. Alright, cool. Alright, we're gonna start the bike up and see how she sounds. This is kind of loud. It might be a little bit too loud, but I'm gonna do a little pulse so you guys can see it, and we'll go from there. Fuck me, dude. What have I done? What have I done? That's it. That's the LV10 exhaust installed. It sounds good. Don't get me wrong. It sounds good, but fuck me, is it a little bit loud?